Verbs with different meanings, Part 3. Play, meaning to engage in an activity for fun or entertainment. Playing is when you do something for enjoyment, like playing a sport or a game. The children are playing soccer in the yard. Play, meaning to perform music or a role in a play. This is about doing something as part of a performance, like playing an instrument or acting in a drama. He plays the piano beautifully. Play, meaning to make something move in a certain way. If you play a video, it means you make it start and run. She played the video on her phone for everyone to see. Play, meaning to use something to your advantage in a situation. This can mean making the most of something, like playing your cards right. He played the situation well and got the promotion. Play, meaning to pretend or act in a particular role. Children often play pretend, where they act out roles like being a doctor or a superhero. The kids were playing doctor in the living room. Drive, meaning to operate a vehicle. Driving is what we do to control a car, truck, or bus. She drove to work in her new car. Drive, meaning to push or force something to move in a direction. You can drive something into the ground, like pushing a nail with a hammer. He drove the stake into the soil. Drive, meaning to motivate or inspire someone to act. If you are driven by something, it means that's your reason for doing it. Her passion for helping others drives her to work hard. Drive, meaning to manage or control a process or project. Driving a project means taking charge and making it happen. She drove the team to complete the project on time. Drive, meaning to travel or go somewhere in a car. It can simply mean taking a ride in a vehicle. Let's drive to the beach this weekend. Raise, meaning to lift or move something higher. When you raise something like your hand or an object, you lift it up. Please raise your hand if you have a question. Raise, meaning to increase or elevate a level or amount. Raising prices, volume, or standards means making them higher. The company raised the prices of its products last month. Raise, meaning to nurture or bring up someone or something. Raising a child or animal involves taking care of them as they grow. They raised 3 children on their farm. Raise, meaning to bring a subject or issue to attention. If you raise a point or concern, you mention it for discussion. She raised an important question during the meeting. Raise, meaning to summon or awaken something. In stories, raising spirits or ghosts means calling them forth. The old legend spoke of a ritual to raise the spirits of the forest. Strike, meaning to hit or deliver a blow. Striking means forcefully hitting or making contact with something. He struck the ball with a powerful kick. Strike, meaning to suddenly occur or happen. It highlights a sudden or unforeseen event taking place. A brilliant idea struck her during the meeting. Strike, meaning to go on a strike. Workers strike when they stop working to demand better conditions. The employees went on strike for higher wages. Strike, meaning to remove or eliminate something. Striking through a word in writing means cancelling it out. The editor struck the unnecessary sentences from the text. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.